Okay, so here it is. There's a difference between a 2-inch track style lift and a normal height Sienna. You can tell the difference immediately. And below ground like this, on the ground like this, you can tell the difference immediately. It's not an exact apple to apple comparison because this is an all-wheel drive and that's a normal front-wheel drive van, but still the difference is pronounced. I'm sorry. Early morning. I'm up here in Oregon, Portland, or no, this is Gresham, Oregon. It's not Portland. But this is how it looks like. 2-inch track style lift, a regular lift. Let's look at the front. And here's the comparison right here as well.